Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on Netflix. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will search about Netflix and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Netflix. And then you will update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.